guys, and welcome back again to another video. How are you doing today? Welcome if you're new here. Thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. She do appreciate it. Okay, so in this video I'm gonna be doing a nesting slash organizing video, just preparing for the arrival of my baby girl. Yeah, I'm currently 37 weeks pregnant, and I am finally in the mood to, start preparing, organizing, and wash all the things that I need to wash, prepare, then relax and wait for the contraction to start. Yeah, I know everything is just gonna be about baby for now, so bear with me. I really want to share this beautiful moment with you guys, if you don't mind. So with that being said, if you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing, turn on the bell notification so you get notified every time I upload a video here. The first thing I want to start with is washing baby clothes, the feeding bottle, the pacifier, the things that I need to wash and sterilize, that I'm going to start with, and every other thing that I actually need to put in place before baby arrives. It's beautiful. Hey guys, so these ones that I hang, we're not going to be using this one right away. Maybe this one will be around 3 months, and moreover, I'm supposed to hang it here, but we haven't fixed the hanger, so we're going to be hanging it on. Hopefully we'll be fixing it next week. Today is Friday. Yeah, next week definitely. But yeah, these are my baby gown. They're so lovely. This pink one is giving me joy. For the meantime, I'm gonna leave this just right. I don't know where I'm gonna leave this, or maybe I think I'm gonna just, you know, leave it right here. Yeah, so whenever we get the thing fixed, I'm gonna put them right there. Definitely we're gonna be fixing it in a few days. These ones, so this is the curtain that I'm going to be using to cover the wardrobe. Of course, we're not going to leave it like this. Yeah, this is the curtain, and I think I can't wait to face it. It's really beautiful with this. Hospital bag is packed. I'm going to show you guys what's inside this hospital bag, but not in this video. So guys, oh my god, I think I'm done for today. Nothing much actually. The only thing that I think is left is to set up baby bouncer and put up the curtain to cover the wardrobe, and yeah, that's basically everything. So yeah, I have all our stockings, mittens, hairband and bibs, and yeah, I have buttons. I have some buttons. One are the ones that I'm gonna be hanging, and I'm just gonna wait for them to fix where I'm gonna be hanging. Then right here is the baby cot. I'm gonna be changing the fitted sheet later, but I just want to, you know, make it look beautiful a little bit. So this is how my baby cot look. This is so beautiful. Look so cute, guys. I love this. I love this in pink. Giving baby girl for life, right? I'm gonna be transferring this to my room later. We're gonna be co-sleeping. So here is gonna be our changing table. I also use this one for my son, and it's from IKEA. My son, this was the exact color I used. Color of his bed. Still good. It doesn't really matter. Like I said, I'm going to transfer this to my room. This is our changing table. Other here I have this diaper bag, some diaper here, some cotton pad, and some baby wipes, the changing cream, other things. That right here I have some wipes. That's basically everything for now. I'm gonna show you guys what is in my hospital bag. As you can see, it's already packed. I'll show you guys what's in my hospital bag, in another video. But right now, baby girl needs to go eat something. So thank you all so much for watching this video, and I will see you all in my next one.